Good afternoon. Today I'll be giving you a virtual conference poster over yoga therapy treatment for post-traumatic stress disorder, better known as PTSD. The objective of this study, um, recently various breakthroughs regarding therapeutic treatment and psychiatric conditions have emerged. One of these significant treatments is yoga. Yoga proves to be a very valid therapeutic measure in combating depression, stress, anxiety disorders. Partly because it habitually encompasses characteristics thought to relax the individual's mind and the devotion, acceptance it takes um, to be able to do this treatment. It's starting to be extensively used. It's very popular and it's ultimately effective. Um, the purpose of this particular study um, was to evaluate its uh, its fidelity regarding the positive effects. As for the method, as you can see, um, the methods that are utilized, they basically took participants of adult age that were diagnosed with PTSD, and this was determined by credible clinicians, administrators, and validated instruments. Examinations concerning individuals with psychological and bodily disorders were qualified for these studies. These investigations also involved individuals without PTSD. Um, well, they didn't involve individuals without PTSD. The intent is to utilize the RCTs, comparing its use of yoga versus non-therapy treatment and attention control of those individuals that also have PTSD but are not using yoga. The results yielded basic determinations match up with the current and qualitative analysis regarding PTSD medications. This was discovered adequate, indicating that the progressive influences of yoga PTSD were effective. The implications of this, from a social standpoint and a medical standpoint, um, basically is telling us because of this, an individual's chances of suffering from medicated side effects, which could further complicate this disorder, is non-existent. So basically, utilizing yoga treatment doesn't have the side effects of the medicines and all those other extreme measures of trying to get a person's life back on track who deals with PTSD. Okay, so in closing, once PTSD patients start their yoga therapy, immediate dissipation of PTSD symptoms should be visible. However, the willingness for the individual with this disorder to participate is significant to the treatment process. So basically, someone has to be all in. They have to buy in to do this yoga. They have to be a certain type of way to actually allow yoga to help them with their PTSD. Okay, this is the reference that I utilized. If no further questions or concerns, my name is Charles Brooks, and you have a nice day.